Hello, welcome to MultiVariants Bulk Order App's tutorial video. Today I am going to show you how to change multivariant swatch background color. So here on this product you can see the background color of these swatches are gray. Now let's say you want to change the background color to light blue. For this, first you have to go to MultiVariants app admin panel. Now from the rule set that is applied to that product, click on the Customize Theme option. Scroll down to the option Swatch Label. Here you will find an option named Background. To change the background color, you need to do it from here. Now put your desired color, let's say light blue. You can also use RGBA values, hex values or HSL values here. Let's save the changes. Now if you go to the product page again and reload the page, you will see that the background color of these swatches are changed to light blue. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.